Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use data warnings. First, navigate to your device's settings menu. Look for the Network and Internet or Connections section, then tap on Data Usage. Here, you'll find options to manage your mobile data. Understanding these initial steps is crucial for effective data management and avoiding unexpected charges. We'll cover setting limits and monitoring your consumption to keep you in control of your monthly allowance. To configure your data limits, tap Data Warning and Limit. You can set a data warning, for example, at 2 GB to receive a notification when you approach your cap. Below that, enable Set Data Limit and specify a hard cap, perhaps at 3 GB, which will automatically turn off mobile data. Remember to adjust your billing cycle start date to match your provider's schedule for accurate tracking. This ensures you stay within your plan. Monitoring your data consumption is straightforward. Within the data usage section, you'll see a graph illustrating your usage over the current billing period. Below the graph, a list of applications shows how much data each has consumed. This allows you to pinpoint data-hungry apps, like video streaming services or social media, that might be using hundreds of megabytes. Regularly checking this helps you understand your habits and make informed decisions about your data usage. For advanced data management, consider enabling your device's data saver mode, which restricts background data for many applications. Always connect to Wi-Fi networks whenever they are available, especially for large downloads or streaming, saving your mobile data allowance. Review your data warning settings monthly, adjusting them if your plan changes or your usage patterns shift. These practices can significantly reduce your mobile data consumption and prevent overages, keeping your bill predictable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.